Hello, what's up, Forex traders? It's the Top Notch Trading Group YouTube platform here. Today, I want to break down fundamental analysis, how you can actually start trading fundamentals, or if you're not trading, just understanding the basics on how they actually work. So I'm going to make this video quick and brief. But before I go further, please, I'm kindly asking if you can hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, because I'll be posting a lot of content like this to help new traders, intermediate and professional traders that are still growing, because in the industry you never stop growing, you never stop learning. All right, let's jump in. So today I'm going to be using investing.com. Of course, there are other common platforms that you can get your fundamentals, such as the forexfactory.com, Forex Street, but today I'm going to focus on investing.com because it's commonly used by a lot of traders. Okay. So by the way, the application is there on App Store and Google Play Store. So you can get it on both platforms. So I'm going to be using the Android platform, but literally the story is just the same. Okay. So investing.com literally is a site that helps traders to get abreast with current trends and information. So as you can see from the bottom here, let me just try to move this. Can I move this? Okay, I'm trying to move this, but it's not okay. See, okay. So as I was saying, as you can see from the bottom here, I want you to focus on three items: markets, news, and calendars. So these are, I would say, the most basic and important parts of investing.com. So as you can see, let's start with the easiest one. So the easiest one is news. When we click on news and you select latest news, literally it's going to bring all the information in one place pertaining to the financial markets. This includes stocks, crypto, and everything. But if you want to customize and focus, if for example you're a forex trader or you're a crypto trader, if I was a crypto trader, I would just go straight to crypto and then see what is currently trending in the crypto world. See what is currently trending in the crypto world. Commodities. Same thing with the stock markets, the forex market. So if you look at the forex market, you'll find that these are literally articles. So an article that breaks down what is currently happening pertaining that currency. So for example, it says dollar holds near 7-month lows as traders await inflation data. So literally inflation data is coming out tomorrow. I'm going to show you on the economic calendar how you can actually get to see such kind of information. So as you can see, literally this is an article that has been written by financial news analysts that are working for investing.com, and yeah, it's simply just breaking down what is actually happening right now. So the good part is you have an option of searching. So if you're interested in seeing what is currently trending with USD, for example, click search and click on news. So this is going to filter everything that is relatable to US dollar, USD, US dollar, sorry, US. And then I'm going to come on, yeah. Okay, so literally this is going to filter everything that pertains to the US dollar. If you go to symbols, okay, let me just try to go back. So as you can see from here, you can easily update if, for example, if you're not seeing something and you're seeing there's something that is going on in the market but you're not understanding it, so you can just simply update. Maybe there's some kind of new event that is coming. And then if you look at economic indicators, literally in this case we're looking at the most items that affect the value of a currency. Economic indicators that affect the economy, we're talking of inflation, interest rates, and all such kind of information. So literally here is the most common news that I'm seeing here is inflation for Brazil and all that stuff. Okay, so in a nutshell, the news section is there for you to break down and see what is actually happening, instead of you staying 24/7 on the Bloomberg channel or MCNBC, CNBC, all those channels, 24/7 watching news. You can actually come and just scroll and filter the items that you would like to see. Okay, so the other part that I would love us to concentrate on is the calendar. So the calendar, I would say this is the most basic and most important part of this platform. So as you can see from here, literally this is going to give you all economic indicators that affect different currencies. So for example, if you only trade, let's say you only trade GBP, you only trade USD and JPY. So you click here on top, here. So literally that is to filter out everything that is not important. So you click on custom here, and then you only select the countries that you want. So I'm going to untick Canada, Eurozone. Okay, let me just untick that. So let me untick that. So as I said, Japan, yes. Great Britain, United Kingdom, let me see, United Kingdom and USA, and then Zambia. Can't really, Zambia, though that's not really necessary. So literally these are the three major items or currencies that I'm focusing on. So I'm going to untick the rest and just leave the items that I actually trade. And then here, there's one part that I want you to focus on and understand here. So in the financial world, or in the financial markets, there are different kind of economic indicators, and they come with levels of importance of volatility. So what I mean is, some kind of data can come out and it won't move the market, and then another data will come out and slightly move the market, and then there's some other kind of data that you would see in the market, and the market shoots either up or down. You understand? So here literally this is what it means. So the low means really doesn't move the market, and then medium, it moves the market slightly. So I want you to untick the first one, this one, just untick and leave medium and high. Once you're done, then click on back. Okay, so as you can see from here, so literally here it is going to show you the data that is currently happening. So the most important part is one, the time. So the time, it is going to show what time this data is going to happen. The second part is the currency that this data is affecting, and then here it displays the name of the data or the economic indicator that is going to be released. You understand? Consumer price index for Tokyo minus food and energy. So this is CPI, consumer price index for JPY, which is coming out at 0130. 0130. Understand? So come 0130, this data is released. As you can see, this is data for today. It was released in the morning. So previously, let me just clear that. Previously, so the good part with this is it will show you previously and then the actual. So once the data comes out, this is going to show you the difference. So previously it was negative 0.1%, and then now the data came out and it's 0.2%. You've seen. So literally these are the major parts that you need to understand. So let me show you one that is relatable to USD. So now there's one thing I want you to pay attention to, is this part. As you can see here is showing two heads, which means medium impact, and then there's three heads. Three heads means high impact news or event. So meaning this event highly affects this currency. So meaning at 16 o'clock USD, Federation Chair Paul is going to be speaking. So meaning there's a speech that comes out that is going to be speaking live at 16 o'clock. So meaning if you're in a USD currency pair, it's either you close the trade or you manage your trade wisely. You move your stops to break even if you're already in profits. So same thing, the time, the impact, the currency pair, and the name of the event. So literally that's how it works. So what I don't want is to make this video too long. I don't want to make this video too long. Already it's long. So I'm going to cut it here, and then I'm going to make another video, which is going to be part 2 of this video. Part 2, I'm going to break down now understanding the most important events that you should focus on, and then how to actually trade with those events. Otherwise, guys, I just ask that you hit the subscribe and the bell notifications so that once I post a part 2, you are there to watch it firsthand. Otherwise, I wish you a blue pip day.